Okay guys, I got a 2024 Toyota 4Runner. I'm going to show you how to reset the maintenance interval, the maintenance required light, oil change, any of that stuff. So you're going to use this, not this. So we're going to go to menu, setup, vehicle, maintenance. From there you can reset all of these things. So here's the service. Put a service in, engine oil. You can put the date in, all of that stuff. So this one never had anything put in, I believe. So let's just do let's say today's date. So 08/04/25. Distance, let's say your interval is 10,000, you have good oil life. Okay, so now you can go there, reset it. Oil filter, do the same thing. 08/04/25. Distance 10,000. Okay, so those two are done. Whenever you do anything on this, rotation, tires, battery, you can keep track right here, and then you can set your own personal service interval. So if you want to do it every 10,000 miles, every 5,000 miles, every 20,000 miles, you can set it there and then check it, or it'll remind you. Right here, you push that. If it's not illuminated with blue right there, it's not on. That is on. So that's how you do it. Hopefully this helps, and be sure to check your dealer recommendations to know when to change this stuff. And that's all. Thank you.